Dear students, good morning to all of you. We will continue today the previous lesson, lesson 6, Theseus and the Minotaur 2. We have already read half, isn't it? So let's continue it. Open the book, page number 39. Please look at the book. Theseus was lying awake thinking about ways of killing the evil monster. Suddenly, Ariadne stepped in and said in a low voice, "Do not make a noise, the guards will hear." So when Theseus was lying awake thinking about how to kill the monster, then suddenly Ariadne stepped in and said in a low voice. What did she say? She said, "Do not make a noise, the guards will hear." "Who are you, fair maiden?" asked Theseus in surprise. So in surprise, Theseus asked, "Who are you, fair maiden?" "I am Ariadne, daughter of King Minos. I have come to help you. Come with me quietly," replied Ariadne. So when Theseus asked her, "Who are you, fair maiden?" then Ariadne replied that, "I am Ariadne, daughter of King Minos. I have come to help you. Come with me quietly." Okay. Next, Theseus got up and followed her. Soon they were out of prison. So Theseus got up and followed her. Soon they were out of prison. "Where are you taking me to?" asked Theseus. So when they were out of prison, then Theseus asked her, "Where are you taking me to?" "I shall take you to the shore. From there, you take a boat and sail away. I want to save your life," said Ariadne. So when Theseus asked her, "Where are you taking me to?" then Ariadne said to him that, "I shall take you to the shore. And from there, you take a boat and sail away. I want to save your life." Okay. Next. "I have come to kill the monster. I will return only after killing it. Take me to the place where it lives," pleaded Theseus. So, when Ariadne said to Theseus that, "Take the boat and sail away. I want to save your life," then what did Theseus say to her? Theseus said to her that, "I have come to kill the monster and I will return back after killing it. So, please take me to the place where the monster lives." He pleaded. Pleaded means requested. Okay. Here I have written plead means request. Alright. Next. "If you insist, I shall take you there. But I advise you not to go there. It will kill you. It is a huge monster," said Ariadne. So Ariadne said to him that, "If you insist, then I shall take you there. But I advise you not to go there because it will kill you. It is a huge monster." Alright. "Give me a sword and take me to the maze where it lives," insisted Theseus. But Theseus insisted her that, "Give me a sword and take me there where the monster lives." Alright. Next. Finally, Ariadne took him to the cave where the Minotaur lived. So finally, Ariadne took Theseus to the place where the Minotaur lived. Okay. "But where is the door to the cave?" asked Theseus. So Theseus asked her, "Where is the door to the cave?" "It has a trap door. I know how to open it," replied Ariadne. So Ariadne said to him, "It has a trap door and I know how to open it." She pressed her hand against a block of stone on the wall and immediately a door opened. She handed him a sword and a ball of thread. So Ariadne pressed her hand against a block of stone on the wall and immediately the door opened and she handed him a ball of thread and sword. Okay. The monster lives in a maze. There are hundreds of passages and doors, each leading to the other. So here, Ariadne is explaining to Theseus that the monster lives in a maze and there are hundreds of passages and doors, each leading to the other. Each way will take to the different places. Okay. The secret of the maze is to always turn to the right. So the secret of the maze to always turn to the right. So when you turn to the right, you will reach the maze. Okay. Next. Tie this thread at the entrance and unwind it as you go. So she said to him that tie this thread at the entrance and unwind it as you go. After you have killed the monster, follow the thread back to the entrance. I shall wait for you here. May God be with you and make you victorious, said Ariadne with tears in her eyes. So she gave the ball of thread and sword to Theseus and said to him that tie this thread at the entrance and unwind it as you go. And after you have killed the monster, you have to follow back the thread to the entrance. And I will wait for you here. I will wait for you out of the door. And may God be with you and make you victorious, she said, having tears in her eyes. Okay, because she was afraid that Theseus would not return back. Understood? Alright, next. Theseus slowly made his way through the passage. So Theseus slowly made his way through the passage. It was completely dark. He took the right passage as Ariadne had advised him. So Theseus slowly made his way through the passage. It was too dark. Okay, it was very dark, completely dark. He took the right passage as Ariadne told him. As he approached, he could hear the sound of a bull's bellowing grow louder and louder. So as he approached, okay, as he reached near, then he could hear the bull's bellowing grow louder and louder. Bellowing means noise. Okay, bellow means roar, a loud, deep roar. Alright. So as he reached near the maze, then he could hear the sound of bulls. Okay, bulls roaring. Okay, he could hear the loud noise. Next. Finally, he reached the entrance of the maze. So finally, Theseus reached the center of the maze. Through a small opening in the roof, moonlight fell into the room. So through a small opening in the roof, the moonlight fell into the room. In one corner, he could see the beast. So in one corner, Theseus could see the beast. Okay, it was a mighty monster. So it was a mighty monster sitting in one corner. Alright. Its horns looked like sharpened spears. So its horns looked like sharpened spears. Its teeth, turn the page, were long and pointed. So its horns looked like sharpened spears and its teeth were long and pointed. Right? It had the body of a man and the head of a bull. So monster had the body of a man and the head of a bull. Did you understand? I hope you understood. So we'll stop the class here. We'll be continuing the same lesson in the next class. Read and come. Okay. See you in next class. Thank you.